Okay, y'all, this is about dry as this thing gonna get, all right? So, this is what I'm finna get ready to show y'all. This is my seasonings here. We got some different type of chicken flavor seasoning there. We got paprika, we got garlic and herb, we got garlic pepper, and we got cayenne, and we got adobe in the middle. And once I get this chicken all oiled up, we're gonna go in with these flavors, these seasonings right here. To y'all, it may look like a lot, but me, I love flavor when it comes to my chicken. So we're gonna get it greased up, and we're gonna go in with this. Keep watching. Yeah, I see that. You know what? Now with my seasonings, I'm gonna just give it a little mix. Just like that. Get this kind of stirred up and mixed around. And I'm gonna just kind of do it like this. Small shake. And I'm gonna go in and just start rubbing this chicken out. And from here, y'all already know what time it is, straight to the pan. Y'all see that color and that flavor already. That's exactly how it's done. And this is one of these chickens that I just love making, you know, for the holiday. And it is the holiday weekend, right? Christmas right around the corner. So y'all need to do this. Y'all need to get it done. Using this method, I mean the chicken flavorful, inside and out. Because remind you, it's been soaking for some hours, right? And all them flavors and seasonings. That's exactly what we need. Now let's give it a flip. And we're gonna do the same thing, y'all. And excuse me, my eyes are still running from them onions. Y'all know how it goes. And see how that seasoning sticking? It's all because of that damn oil. It does magic. Excuse my language, but it make it work. It's everything it need to be when it comes to, you know, holding seasoning on the chicken and other type of meats. It really helps. So for y'all that didn't know that, now you do. And y'all see over all that flavor, the color of it, how it look. I think I'm gonna go in with a little bit more paprika, because that gives it that color. And everybody love that color when it comes to that chicken, right? So y'all see that, right? Real pretty. Real colorful. It's everything it need to be right now. So I'm gonna lift it up for y'all. Give y'all a close view of that. It's everything it need to be. Now, we gonna get that pan over there, of course. Y'all see what that's looking like, right? And y'all see I done made a mess with all this seasoning and all this flavor. But that's all right. That's what happens in the kitchen, right? What was pretty won't be pretty. So So the next step is preheat my oven about, I want to say 400, 375, 400. And I'm going to let this bad baby cook here for about, I want to say 45 minutes to an hour. And then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna look at it. But in between, I may still come and, juice it up and add a little bit of, spritz to it, to keep it so it don't dry out. But for the most part, I'm gonna just go ahead and let it do its thing and let it cook. And I'm gonna pull it out and I'm gonna show y'all how it began to, color and the skin crisp up, and it's gonna be everything it need to be. So y'all stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. It's gonna take a minute, but we're gonna get to the finished result. And I'm gonna tell y'all, this is gonna be one of the best holiday chickens that y'all ever tasted. Don't go nowhere. I'll be back.